This is the ATOTO F7 XE with the 8-inch floating screen. The main features includes built-in CarPlay and wireless Android Auto with a IPS display. In this video, I'm going to go over all the details and how to install it. But first, let's get to the unboxing. Hey, Life with the Box here. So today I have the ATOTO F7 XE. Let's take a look and open up and see what's inside the box. So here, this screen size is a 8.6 inch, right? This is an IPS screen with a resolution of 720p, and we have adjustments here to change the angle. It's a max angle of 36 degrees. All right, so quickly in the back here, we've got a Wi-Fi antenna plug, we've got the radio, we've got a video plug here, we've got all the subwoofer and RC, so video in, speaker RCA plugins here. We've got the wiring harness here, we've got a fuse. Okay, this is for the IR infrared. We've got the microphone jack in there. This is for the radio, and we've got a USB phone link. Beside here, we've got auxiliary, we've got the reset button, and we have a USB, and there's also another mic right there. Here we've got the on, mute button, volume, switch tracks, and home button. Let's get to installing this now. Okay, so just taking a quick look at the old connections I have on this unit here. Everything's gonna be pretty similar. We've got the radio, we've got the camera, we've got the wiring harness. Here's the Bluetooth, the microphone I mean. Basically, you're just gonna unplug all these and then plug it to your new one. This should apply for most cars, especially if you have a aftermarket navigation system. Okay, so I won't be showing you guys how to do the new wiring harness just because they're both the same brand. Switching basically from one ATOTO to another, so I don't have to be rewiring it. But for those who want to know, you're basically gonna have this, and the other ends will have, they're actually labeled, so it's actually not as intimidating as it looks. Each color leads to a specific function, and what you're gonna do is find the wiring harness that's compatible with your vehicle, and then you see how they're also colored as well, and basically all you have to do is just match the colors, so orange to orange, yellow to yellow, blue to blue, and then you just kind of splice them together. Because I have a doubled in, what I'm going to need to do is install these brackets, so then it becomes a double, and I'm able to slide this to the slot. So because this uses a single DIN, and mine is a double, that's why it comes with this tray, just for you to fill up that empty slot here. Obviously, with the way that this is angled or the position, I'm most likely not gonna be able to use this tray, but at least this looks better than, you know, being able to look inside into all the wires. Yeah, so once that's in, you're gonna finish it up with the 4 bolts on both sides here and there. The tray right here, pretty much impossible to use because of the floating screen. Okay, and we're gonna finish it off with putting the cover on. Okay, so everything's installed, and I'm gonna turn it on and note the boot up time. So we've got the ATOTO logo here. Okay, so here in the main menu. Okay, so that's actually also how long it takes to get into Apple CarPlay, which I already have set up. So we're going to start off with the ATOTO menu. So we're going to get out of here, press the home button. Okay, so in the front, the main menu, we've got the home button, we've got the return button, we've got the brightness button. So we've got night mode, half brightness, and full brightness. And this is the connect to the phone button, home, and then we've got the clock here. All right, and again with the the time, day, date. Okay, bottom here we've got I think that's Android Auto. We've got the radio. Okay, radio. Okay, we don't need to hear that. Okay, and then here, because this will basically show the last app that you have opened, so we're going to pause that radio here. And then we've got music. I don't have that hooked up. That's Apple CarPlay. Here we're going to go to the menu system in the ATOTO. So we've got satellite radio, which I don't have hooked up. We've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's not working, that's why it's a little bit blurred out. Again, that was radio. We've got a USB, so if you have music or video, I'm not sure if videos play, but music, you would plug in the USB, which their slot is in here, and you can play it off that. And then you got Bluetooth audio. We've got the micro SD card slot as well on the side here, and then you can do auto link, so you can connect your phone directly through your plug in the bottom of your phone, and you can do a mirror. And let's see, next page here we've got a rear camera, so if you tap that, which is already connected for me, you can see what's behind me. Right, let's go back here, back button, and then back to that page. We've got the front camera, which I don't have currently connected, but you can if you have one. Back to the front, back to that page. We've got AV in, and so this is if you want to connect some like your other video accessories. Okay, and again we got EQ, so if you want to adjust the balance of the speakers in your car, right, we've got that. And we've got the phone, and we've got settings here. So settings, okay, under the ATOTO settings we've got system settings, so we can change the language. All right, back to English. Like that. Okay, so we've got more languages here. It's a little hard to scroll, but okay, so that's the last one. Okay, so we're gonna go back to English, obviously, because that's what I speak. And then we've got date and time. Here we go. We've got the beep tone, which I've turned off. We've got the steering wheel position, steering wheel control select, factory reset, and about this device. So this is the model number we have currently, and then the software version. All right, so back to here, we've got display settings. So we've got the level of brightness, we've got the panel key lighting, so we can pick what color you want. So right now I have it in white, but you can pick red, green, yellow, got blue, you know, a bit of an orange, but I'm gonna go with white this time. Let's go back. We can choose the wallpaper. So I guess you can add more wallpaper if you have it maybe in the USB key. I'm gonna go with the this little starlight one. Let's go back. Right, and then video prohibited mode switch, so maybe it doesn't allow you to play videos while you're driving. Boot logo settings. So here you can change what logo you want to start the car. I'm gonna stick with my ATOTO, so I'm not gonna change any of that. Okay, let's go back. We've got audio and EQ settings again. So EQ, you can adjust all of this, and you've got presets. Let's go back. Volume, so you can choose multimedia, ringtone, so how loud each of these are. So I'm going to set my ringtone a little bit lower so it's not too crazy loud when it starts ringing. Multimedia doesn't have to be too loud either, because I can adjust that afterwards. Hands-free, again, I don't want it super loud. Navigation can be loud. Voice assistant. Okay, and that's it. And then we can do balance and fader, right? We've got the subwoofer output, subwoofer filter, subwoofer level. Let's go back here. Oops. And then we've got the radio settings. So you can choose region. I am in North America. Okay, and then our BTS and sync time. Let's do sync time. Okay, and then we've got Wi-Fi settings. Wi-Fi is on, device information. Let's go back, and we've got Bluetooth settings. So we have connection, auto answer, and then we've got camera settings. So rear camera is input, rear camera view, normal or reverse. We're gonna keep it in normal. Parking assist guide, I'm gonna turn that off. Front camera view, normal. Alright, so that's it for these settings. So let's go back to the main menu. Okay, and now we are gonna go right into Apple CarPlay just to show you. If you already know how to use Apple CarPlay, then you really don't need to watch this part, but just to give you an idea, this F7 XE has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless built in, so there's no external dongle, which is nice here. You can see there's got the so I mean, pretty straightforward. This is Apple CarPlay and it's working. I've got Waze, Google Maps, right? Everything is here. Nice big 8-inch screen. So for this ATOTO F7 XE with the 8-inch screen is my favorite ATOTO so far. It's pretty much got everything that I need, mainly the built-in Apple CarPlay and the 8-inch floating screen. With a price point of around $300, I think this is a very attractive price for all the features that it offers. So if you guys are in the market, you should definitely take a look at this ATOTO F7 XE with the 8-inch screen. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this detailed video. Hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of these car stereo videos that I post regularly. And again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next one.